SunShader is the sunshade, heat shade, and privacy shade that shields your laptop from the sun, so you can see your screen clearly, protecting your device from overheating. With our specially designed clips, SunShader snaps securely onto the edges of your screen and quick releases with a gentle tug. SunShader is portable, folding up neatly into your bag alongside your device. The clips are flexible to adjust to different screen thicknesses. With SunShader, you or your team can now work from anywhere. Check off tasks from the pool or the park. Turn your balcony or a roof deck into your office. Work at your favorite cafe, or take your business to the beach. SunShader doubles as a privacy shade, shielding the contents of your screen from unwanted viewing. Perfect for public spaces, from airports and planes to cafes and trains. SunShader is designed and made in the US. Here's to a bright future. SunShader. Work from anywhere.
The most crowd-funded cable in the world is now ultra-fast. Introducing inCharge X, the world's only 100 watts keyring cable. Nowadays, we own many portable devices, but they often die at the worst times, and we need a bunch of bulky cables to charge them. That's why we developed inCharge X, a tiny, universal, ultra-fast keyring cable. Why universal? inCharge X can charge Apple, micro USB, and USB-C devices from any USB or USB-C power source. Unless you are rocking a Nokia 3310, we most likely got you covered. inCharge X supports charging and data transfer. It also supports OTG, so you can use your phone as a power bank. But it doesn't stop there. inCharge X is extremely powerful. It allows ultra-fast charging up to 100 watts. Chances are your devices support fast charging, so why waste time with a slower cable? Thanks to our N52 magnet system, you can snap it on your keys, on your backpack, or wherever you prefer. You'll never find yourself without the right cable again. inCharge X is also available in a 5 feet long version. This is the tangle of cables we usually need. inCharge X Max replaces all of them. It supports 100 watts charging too, so you'll only need one cable to charge your laptop, your phone, and all of your devices. It's the ultimate home, car, office, and travel cable. Designed to last forever, inCharge X is made of an aluminum alloy with military-grade aramid fiber and 200 braided copper wires reinforced with TPU and double-weaving nylon fiber. For an even increased durability, inCharge X has a protective cap. We are already manufacturing, so you don't have to worry about those long crowdfunding waits. We are Rolling Square. During our last 7 campaigns, we delivered hundreds of thousands of products to our community of tech minimalists, and the feedback has been amazing. Back us today to get your inCharge X before anyone else, and at the lowest price it will ever be.
The Face ID on your iPhone or iPad is a biometric facial recognition system used to unlock your phone, but did you know that it can also be used as a 3D scanner? All you need to do is download a 3D scanning app and you can create viewable, shareable 3D models from your iPhone or iPad. While 3D scanning with your iPhone sounds great, trying to scan with Face ID can be difficult. Not being able to see the iPhone screen and the object at the same time means that you will miss sections of the object while scanning, since you cannot ensure every small section is being captured in the scan. The current scanning process is awkward and requires multiple scan attempts to get right. So we came up with a quick solution, introducing Scan Mira, the better way to 3D scan with your iPhone. All you need to do is slip it onto your iPhone or iPad and you're ready to scan. Scan Mira reflects the Face ID view by 90 degrees, so you can see both the iPhone screen and the surface you're scanning at the same time, making the 3D scanning process much easier. The Scan Mira is one size fits all for any iPhone or iPad with Face ID. It's made with a durable yet flexible material, so it'll easily slide onto your device with or without the phone case on. The most important feature of our Scan Mira is the special mirror we use. Most available mirrors are called rear surface mirrors, which means that light must travel through the glass before being reflected. This will create refracted or bent images, faint secondary reflections, and distortions. These regular mirrors only reflect 80 to 85% of all incoming light. Instead, we opted to use first surface mirrors, where the light doesn't need to travel into the glass to reflect because it does so on the first surface. A first surface mirror can reflect 94 to 99% of incoming light to create a very clean and clear reflection. Using Scan Mira, you can now comfortably scan real objects into 3D models. In order to make your scanning experience much simpler, we are also offering a remote-controlled turntable that's perfect for getting a full 360 scan of your object. In addition, if you don't want to hold the phone and wait for your scan to finish, you may also get one of our phone stands, perfect for any size iPhone. With both, you can just set up your scan and let it run. Scanning with your phone also means that you can scan from anywhere to share or use. Create 3D models right at your desk to wow your friends or your next presentation. Scan statues or artwork at the park for later inspiration. Or even scan toys and paperweights for 3D printing, AR, and VR projects. Since we created the Scan Mira, we use it every day with our favorite 3D scanning app, and it makes our 3D scanning process much easier. That is why we want to share the Scan Mira with the 3D community. Enjoy 3D scanning with your iPhone!
Introducing Mako, the stylish, ultra-thin 4K touchscreen monitor. Weighing just 800 grams and super thin at 4 millimeters, Mako is a super portable display. Handling regular office work, monitoring the stock market, need the screen in vertical position for a better viewing experience? Mako would always be the best solution for you to boost productivity. Mako supports active capacitive stylus touch to turn your phone or laptop into a drawing board with ease. Use the Mako for your home entertainment too. Compatible with all kinds of gaming devices, from your Nintendo Switch, PS4, Xbox, to your ROC gaming smartphone. Our built-in gyroscope allows you to rotate the screen without setting up with our gravity sensors. And with the compact size and slim design, we've maximized the portability. The Mako is the perfect must-have for your next journey.